Hello everyone. The problem of e-waste is big in the entire world. Therefore, today we are going to look at some of the practical solutions to tackle this problem using the very basic principles of reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce. Try to stretch the life of your devices. For example, TV sets in India are often used for 15 to 20 years before being replaced, as most people consume only regular live channels and use computers for OTT content. Companies are going to launch products with minor incremental improvements. But you should buy devices only with substantial changes. Using PWA on smartphones if native app support is dead. I am leaving links to 2 of my previous videos in this context, in the description and in the cards. When possible, consider repairing rather than purchasing new. For example, even the non-removable batteries of smartphones are replaceable at authorized company stores as well as some third-party repair shops. Reuse. Try to repurpose your current devices. Give your device to your kids or elderly family members who need a phone just to make calls. Use your smartphone as a dashcam in cars, as a home security camera, or as a webcam for your computer. Recycle. Try to sell it in the second-hand market, or exchange it when buying a new phone from e-commerce websites. Give it to a local scrap dealer for money. If none of the above works for you, be a responsible citizen and give your device to the nearest government-registered e-waste collection center, or one run by some reputed company like Samsung, Dell, etc. This is why recycling is perhaps the most important of all, because using a non-efficient device wastes a lot of energy, and hence, is bad for the environment. Do let me know what works best for you. With the help of this video, you can discuss and educate your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.